Hey guys, it's More Amazing back with another amazing video, and today I'll be sharing my cafe. It's like pastel. It's pretty cute from what you can tell, and I'm just really excited to share with you. And I've made a cafe before, but it was made by pigs, so you should go check that video out. Anyways, let's get started with this one. So when you walk in, it's like it says epic over there. Here we have like a table. Like when you walk out, you see there's like this like little dining area type of thing. So you can just sit here and look at the menu, and people will come serve you, aka me. Then here I have skateboards because normally I go to work. As you can see, I like to work so I can make stuff. Then here's the valet parking. I think one of my friends are gonna work here. They just have to sit here and then person be like, woo! And then over on this side, we have a like a drive-through area. It says drive through this way, so you can just drive here. I don't know, I just joked about this. I put the best hot coffee in town is served here. Then I put like, you know, menu and a trash can because this is where I belong right now, guys. I'm meant to be here. Then we have pizza, and just when you walk in, you will see this person like sitting there. And you'll be like, hi, I'd like to order a cheeseburger and some french fries. And then they're just gonna be like, okay, sure. And here it's like kind of just for the people who work here. And I have a bed here to get my moods up. So that's the end of the video, guys. I'm kidding. I just have a random bed there. I think I'm gonna delete that. It's just for moods. Nobody sees it anyways. Here's this like kind of, and there's the bed. Here's this kind of like hallway thing from the kitchen to this. And let me just give you a tour of the kitchen. In the kitchen, it's like red. It has a picture of a sandwich and some like, this is just some employee food. And people like, they just cook because if you walk out, we have another like square sort of thing. If you walk out, then you will see that there's this front area. And and then when like people order, you go to the kitchen. And then in here we have a, what is it called? A party room with some cute like little like paintings. There's like donuts and french fries and hot dogs, and then there's this one creepy picture. The pie is watching you, just so you know. And then we have a radio to like blast any music at any time. And last but not least, we have the most basic thing someone could ever have, a bathroom. And I like this bathroom a lot. One of my subscribers, the only Maggie, helped me out with this one, and she's really nice, so just a shout out to her. She helped me make this bathroom and pretty much everything. We made this thing together. And you can like close it if you're in it. It's open, just so you know. Like once I was in the toilet and then someone just opened it and I'd be like, bye. So that's what I like about this. And we're gonna end this video in the bathroom because that's how savage we are. And I hope to see you in my next video. Go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button, and turn on your notifications bell, and comment what cafes you've made in Bloxburg, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Again, we are making our goal of 1,000 subscribers, so hit that. Nope, don't hit it. Smash the subscribe button, guys, because you know you want to. And if you liked this video, you should go check out some other ones, because if you like taste in Roblox, we have some of that and some slime. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.